Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll do a spring nail art design with geometric elements. I did e-file manicure. The reason why I did this because this client has really thin cuticle and it's much easier to achieve a clean manicure in such case. For products, I will use cover cream, UV LED strong builder gel from Egoista. The product doesn't have a burning sensation, is self-leveling, and it is that medium, like perfect self-leveling texture that doesn't run on the side walls and is easy to work. Also, I will need acid-free primer and rubber base coat. So the builder gel from Egoista's 3-step system, which means I will need a primer and I will need a base coat. In the process of recording this video, I have noticed that I forgot to turn on my camera and I have missed to record the step when I'm applying primer. So keep in mind, I have applied acid-free primer. Then at this point, I'm applying a thin layer of rubber base coat. Then I cure it for 30 seconds. All my nail friends and nail colleagues, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This way you supporting me and also motivating me to create a new tutorial for you, which is coming every week. So I did here the nail feel using the builder gel. You can see the viscosity of the gel is self-leveling, but in the same time will not run in the side walls or cuticle. So this way you will apply the product with less filing. So it doesn't move, doesn't run, but in the same time is helping you. So I'm applying the product almost without top filing. Where to buy all this product, what I'm using, and many others from Egoista, you'll find the links below. Also, you'll find a coupon code which will offer you 10% on your first order. Here I'm using a hand file and a buffer just to make my shape more crispy. Then we proceed to design. For nail art, I will use gel color number 40 and 02, same from Egoista, which is a black one and neon green. One of my favorite in spring and summertime because it's highly pigmented. And using a liner brush, I will start to draw in one layer kind of geometrical shapes, which will be more triangle, closer to the free edge and cuticle. Then I will cure in a lamp for 30 seconds.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great.
I have received your request that you wish to see more often my videos. If you like my content, if you want to see more educational video content, I have an idea. Please follow me on my Instagram where you will see every single day educational content, tips and tricks, how to become a successful nail technician. Follow me and definitely I will follow you.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
how do you like this nail art idea? If this is something that inspiring you and you are excited to do on your clients. And definitely don't forget about like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.